Welcome to my class. Today our topic is emails. Emails means electronic mails. Electronic mail is the mode of exchanging digital messages across the internet or other computer networks. It is the quickest way to communicate in writing. It has gained preference over the traditional means of communication, that is, letter writing. It has become so popular that almost every business or internet user is using it as the preferred means of communication. So, we should know how to write emails. Emails can be used both in formal ways and informal ways. So, let me tell you that whenever we are using our laptops or phones, we are using this method to convey our messages because these are the fastest ways of communication. Let's see, on this laptop I have opened my Gmail account. Whenever we have to write email to someone, we have this column. So this is to means where we have to send email. We should know the address where we have to send our email. If the person is, let's say, Payal, so I will write Payal 35 @gmail.com. These letters should be in small. Sorry, Payal 34 @gmail.com. Then we have to write subject regarding why I am sending this message. So I am sending this message because I am inviting her to my birthday party. Let the subject be invitation. So invitation for birthday. So this is the subject, right? Then I will carry on with dear Payal, right? Then I will write my message like I am organizing a birthday party. Remember students, whenever we have to give any invitation for anniversary party, birthday party or some formal invitation, we have to write three most important things. Those are date, venue and time. When the event is being organized, where it is being organized is venue, and then the timing, so that we can honor our guest, his esteemed presence in that, yes, on in that party. So this is the format which is informal way and which is practical use of this email. Now coming to our exam purpose, we don't be we won't be having these laptops or these phones with us at that time, so we have to give them in formal writing how to write an email. So let's start with email. For that you have to draw the boxes like this, and you have to make, see, the boxes, emails to, then make a box. All this can be made with the help of pencils in the exam. Then from, then date, then subject. So you have to do this exercise. Then let's start with email. Let me start with the same address, Payal34 @gmail.com. Then let the email be from Surbhi123 @yahoo.com. These are just imaginary addresses. Date, as you have to write the date format is the same, June 4 2020, right? Subject is invitation for birthday party, right? So this is, then start writing dear Payal. Then you can be informal or somewhat formal, it depends upon your relation. If you just want to write to the point, you can say that I am inviting you on my birthday on June 12th. So you can write, you are cordially invited to my birthday held on June 12th. ठीक है, my father is celebrating my birthday in Hotel Taj at 6 o'clock in the evening. Right? So you can say that you are cordially invited to attend my birthday party. We will have fun together. Or anything, that there will be DJ party or there will be a magic show or anything, whatever you want to write. But the basic three things which are necessary is date, then venue, then time for any invitation. Right? Then yours, you can write lovingly or regards or with love, anything, whatever you want. Fine. So you were Surbhi. See, it is from Surbhi. So you can write Surbhi. Right. This is the email. Now coming to the book, we have many exercises. Write an email to your friend informing him why you want him to excuse you for not attending his birthday party. So you have to give an excuse why you couldn't attend your friend's birthday party. It can be any excuse. You can say you were having urgent meeting that day, or someone very near of your family was not well on that day. It depends upon you, whatever reason you are choosing. In the book it is written that I had planned to return to Jalandhar well before time, join your birthday celebrations in the evening. I must tell you that this meeting has been extended to late evening hours. So I couldn't attend your birthday party and I was unable to join your party. So kindly excuse my absence. I shall visit by the weekend. So the next is write an email to your friend expressing your condolences on his father's death. Your friend's father has died. It is similar way you can write as you used to write a letter of condolence. Yes, in 9th or 10th standard you must have done. So you have to give reason, or you can say, I was extremely sad to learn about your father's sudden death. So you are very sorry for the death of your friend's father. You have to convey your condolences. Then you are having write an email to your friend about the inauguration of the company. So some company you are inaugurating, again you have to tell date. It is 2nd December, he is saying. Then time. Then you are cordially invited to grace the occasion. So with regards, he has given formal invitation for inauguration. So there are many such emails which you can see. These are solved example, but here from is not written, but you have to make a box to, from, date, subject, and you have to write. Then we have unsolved exercise for practice, which I want you to do and send me on WhatsApp. Write an email to a friend inviting him or her for opening ceremony of your new office, very similar to the inauguration of the company. So be prepared and do these exercises so that you can learn how to write an email. Thank you and have a nice day.